My hip size now is 38 inches and just some time ago it was actually 42 inches. Wow, I'm so happy and I want this happiness for all of you to be able to lose your hip and thigh fat easily with just this simple 1-minute exercises. These exercises are very easy to follow, completely beginner friendly and can be done anytime, anywhere. Trust me, you will see magnificent results just like I have. This is the same fat that actually accumulates around your glutes, your thighs, and if you can feel it, that means it's definitely loose skin. So it's better to have a tight, toned and an in-shape body, especially your lower half. I see so many women who have a very perfect upper body shape, but where they falter is their lower body. They end up having a bigger hip size, huge thighs, which actually attracts unwanted attention and makes you feel all the more uncomfortable. So enough said, now let's begin with the super easy and simple follow along daily 1-minute exercises to lose your thigh and hip fat. So let's involve the main reason which is responsible for your heavy hips and thighs, because you keep sitting in a chair. Let's use this very thing to actually lose the weight we have gained around our hips and thigh area. It's very simple. You just have to stand straight with your back and spine absolutely straight, and you have to hold the chair like this, and let's do a simple and easy warm up. So for the warm up, we are going to lift our legs straight and take it as high as we can. Keep your posture straight. Slow and steady movements. Don't try to drift sideways too much. Now let's do the other side. There you go, we are done with the warm-up. So let's begin with the first exercise. Make sure you keep your core absolutely tight. Lift your leg up and then backwards. You can feel the stretch. Very effective exercise. Now let's do the other leg. Make sure you keep your core tight at all times, your spine straight. Slim and toned legs on the way. You'll sure lose weight and look magnificent in your fitted clothes. For the next exercise, you're going to keep a one-arm distance between the chair and yourself and spread your legs to the same length as the chair. We are going to be parallel to the chair, and now we're going to squat and on our toes. Squat, holding the chair and on our toes. it's done. Well done. So for the next exercise, stand tall with your core tight, and now we're going to make circles with each leg, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Let's do it together. Now let's do anti-clockwise. Now let's do the other side. Now let's do the anti-clockwise. Well done. As you can see, the outer, inner thigh and the glutes area, I could feel absolutely strenuous pressure. I'm sure you would too. Let's move on to the next exercise. So for the next exercise, again with the help of a chair, we are going to keep a one-arm distance, spine straight, core tight. Then take a leg up like this and kick. Let's do it together. Don't put your leg on the floor. It's just a 1-minute exercise, so there's no resting time. And well done. Let's do it with the other leg. And well done! You've completed magnificently all these very exercises. So proud of you! As you can see, I'm completely breathless and I am sweaty. So these very easy and effective exercises do work. You just have to follow along, play this video every single day and do it with me. And you have to eat healthy, drink enough water, 3 to 4 liters, set your sleep cycle to about 7 to 8 hours every night, and you're sorted. So I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Keep doing these exercises and you're sure to see magnificent results. Until then, take care.